Bonjour, g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen, and today we are going to be making a blueberry tart. It's blueberry season here and they're delicious, and this is actually really easy. A little fiddly, but really easy. You can always forego making your pastry and just buying it. I have a tart pan, and a tart pan, the lid lifts off, the base lifts off. It's really easy to get out. So I've just greased it. And to make our pastry, we're going to add some flour and some sugar or sugar substitute. And we're just going to blend them, mix that up a little bit. Some cold butter, and we're going to blend it till it turns into our pastry. Okay. Right, we're going to add a little bit of liquid as well. So a splash of vinegar, and then you can add some water if it's not going to hold, if it's going to be a little bit too crumbly. Just going to add a little splash of water, and then it should be good. All right, so once it all comes together, and it has, we're going to put it into our tart pan. So now you can see the dough sticks together. It's like a dough now. So perfect. So what you want to do is spread it into your tart tin. There we go. Once you've done that, we're not going to bake it yet. We're going to fill it. This is kind of like a double blueberry tart, because you fill it with some blueberries and bake it, and then you top it with fresh blueberries that are not baked. So once you've put all your pastry in your tart, there we go. Okay, it's in our tart pan. We're going to take some fresh blueberries. We're going to take a little bit of sugar or sugar substitute, and we're going to take some flour. And we're going to mix that all together. You can put some lemon in if you want. Just going to mix it all together, like so. And then we're going to pour this on top of into our tart tin. Spread the blueberries out. And now we're going to put it in the oven and let the blueberries cook. All right, I've taken out the blueberry tart, and what you want to do is, while it's still warm, take a spoon. It's still hot actually. You want to take a spoon and just press the berries down like this, squish them, pat them all down. They're nice and cooked now. There we go. So you squish them down, and then you start decorating them with the fresh berries. So I've got some fresh blueberries here. And I'm just going to sit so you can see it better. Hold on. There we go. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to decorate them. I put the big side down so the little hole is up. And it's a little tedious, but you're going to put the blueberries all the way around, and then in the very middle, you can put some raspberries or some chopped strawberries. So it's a little tedious, as you saw, but it looks really pretty. So, and I made a mistake before. You do want to make sure that your pastry goes up the side of your tart, okay? Because that's what's going to hold the tart together as well. So there's the middle. You can put some raspberries on the top if you need. If you don't have strawberries, you can put strawberries instead of raspberries, and it just makes, just gives it a little bit more color. Makes it look really pretty in the middle. And then you just put it into the fridge and you let it sit. There you go. It's still a bit hot to touch, but there you go. You want to do it, you want to put the blueberries on while it's still hot, because it's like glue. They will stick to the tart really nicely. So there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful blueberry tart. And then when the tart has been set, keep it in the fridge, and when it's completely cold, what you want to do is you just pop the bottom up, and if you've greased your tart pan properly, it will just pop out nicely and you'll have a beautiful blueberry tart. Enjoy!